Okay, so for this project I'm going to make a small lamp using the jute cord and small wooden dowels, and along with the same wood sticks that I picked up during my first project from my hike. So I'm going to tell you how do I use these, and I am also going, come back. And I'm also going to sharpen the edges so that they stand properly on with a strong base when they are formed. Okay, so let's start. So I picked up these four with the same thickness, and now I have to make sure that they are of all the same height. So I am going to reduce them in height using the hacksaw, and guys, please be very careful when you use the hacksaw. So this one's ready, and I have to make sure the rest of these wooden dowels are now of this height. Oh god, it is going to rain. Can you give me a marker please? I have to mark these wooden dowels. So now I'm going to scrape the excess wood using a sandpaper. The painted wooden dowels are now dried out, and now I'm going to prepare the structure of the lamp. So this is one side of the lamp, and this is how I'm going to stick both the dowels with the help of these small wooden sticks. So now the structure of the lamp is ready, and it feels quite sturdy, and now I'm going to start wrapping the jute around it. You can give it multiple knots at these edges where it is stuck by the glue, and or you can start directly wrapping around it. I will be giving a small knot around each of these edges so that it becomes more sturdy. For this project, I am going to use the palettes that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and this is the frame of a mirror that I picked up again from the Dollar Tree. I plan to cut these sides of this frame and then attach the sides of this frame as a base to this palette.